All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Railfanning. Tonight we're here at Warner Road, namely inside the Western Skies Plaza. We have an outbound train. I think it's like kind of a different leader, but yeah, it's heading this way. As you can see, I have my truck staged right here with my bright headlights turned on, high beams, guess the technical term. But I kind of want to provide decent enough lighting so I can watch this train go by. Yeah, so date I'm recording this is the night of August 23rd of 2025. And see, right now the train is coming up to Lindsay Road. Zooming in, hopefully you can get a good shot. The crossing gates at Lindsay will be activating any moment now. All right, Lindsay. Oh, whoops. Dip my camera down a little bit, but anytime you want to activate Lindsay. Okay, all right. Sorry, not trying to bore you with awkward silence for too long. Come on, Lindsay, anytime you want to activate. Okay, there it goes. Lindsay's crossing gates are activating right now. Okay, now the train is blowing its horn for Lindsay Road. And we got the green signal down at Warner Road, as you can see. Okay, Warner Road should be activating any moment now. Yeah, it's coming right now. Okay, Warner's crossing gates have just activated. that's the end. All right, the gates on Warner Road are rising, and they're going to be turning off right now. And you can also kind of see Val Vista Drive if I can zoom in. Okay, the gates on Val Vista appear to be raising. All right, and then turn it off. All right, well, another episode of rail fanning for you guys. Again, there's my truck. Definitely wanted to film a rail fanning video in a rather unique way. I mean, I know I've done something like this before, and earlier this year, in fact, in downtown Gilbert, but I figured with there being a little bit more lighting in the Western Skies Plaza, this would be a little bit more suitable. All right, well, that's gonna end this episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and Rainbow Runner will be heading out. Hope to give you more content soon. See ya.